Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to Flying Skies One. How, as you all know, today is the last day to pre-book your products on Flipkart to avail the products on big saving days of Flipkart that starts from 25th of July to 29th of July. Now I'll quickly show you how you can pre-book your products by using filters. So you have chosen sari here and have given filters for price. For free delivery, I have given Flipkart Assured and I've chosen pattern, theme, and price and customer rating. I've got output as Banarasi sari. Mm, Now we'll see here smartphones. Realme C20 is a good one to go. If you want one basic smartphone, where Realme C20 is something that you have to choose because it comes with 5000 mAh battery, 1 year warranty on product, and 6 months on accessories. It has large HD display of 6.5 inches and powerful processor G35. And you see here 2G RAM and 32 GB ROM with expandable memory, and you have 3 slots given to insert your 2 nano SIMs and 1 micro HD card. You'll be getting for 5,000. The price is 8,000. You and instant discounts are given as 10% to 5% on ICI credit cards and many more. You can choose any of your choice while you check out on purchase. And here I see Narzo also. It's a good one. When you want to upgrade your phone, so this comes with a storage capacity of 64 GB and RAM 6 GB, and it has got a display of 6.5 HD H 6.5 inches HD display, and you'll be getting for 15,000 rupees, and the actual price is 18,999. That is nearly 20,000. Now we'll see here induction cooktops, lifelong induction cooktop. It's something that you can opt for because it has got good features, and you're getting for 1,154 rupees. While the actual price is 4,300, you're getting 73% off. You can pre-book this product before you see stockouts on big saving days. As big saving day starts in 4 hours, you have to quickly pre-book the product. Now we'll see the features of this. It comes with the 1 year warranty, and you have a menu. The auto menu comes with soup, cooked rice, boiled water, and hot milk, and pressure cook and roti dosa, cooked fry, and the power consumption. It is 1400 watts. So we got push buttons controls, and you have got replacement policy also. So if something is wrong with your product after purchase, you can replace your product within 7 days. So I have shown you the other models also. And Flipkart Smart Buy induction cooktops, you can also opt for this. It is 1,394 rupees. You're getting 56% off. Well, the actual price is more than 5,000, that is 5,600 rupees. See, I've shown you the both earphones. It comes with the mic facility, and the sound quality is good. Now both bass headphones, you see here, it is 349 rupees you're getting, which is actually 1500 rupees. Uh, you see here 449 rupees. Both headphones, and it is the width is 3.5 mm. Options also here, and 220 wired headset. Both headset also you see here for 449 rupees. You can avail this opportunity by the product, to buy the product on big saving days. Coming to refrigerators, I see Godrej 190 liters direct cool single door refrigerator, which is 16,970. You can have one if you want fridge in your home. So it is the actual price is 20,000 rupees. It's a 5-star refrigerator and direct cool, which consumes less electricity, and it has a hygiene plus inverter compressor. So this compressor comes with less noise, and but you have to go for manual defrosting. And 1 year warranty is given on the product, and 10 years on compressor. So after availing the discounts of 5%, 10% by using your ICICI credit card and other cards, access card, and you can get it for 15,000 or even less than 15,000. You see here many other models also, but I've chosen Godrej 190 liters direct cool single door 5-star refrigerator, because it has got an intelligent inverter, and the consumption of current or the electricity is less. Now coming to combo deals and cookers, I see Familia as the best one, because it comes with the induction bottom, and you can also use it on your gas stoves. You see many other models also. You have Pigeon, Hawkins, but I see Familia as a combination of both induction base and gas stove, and it has got a knob lock system. Two lids are given, and one lid is common for two cooker pans, and the price is for 1493 rupees. The actual price is 5,000. You see here 53% off, and you're getting for 1493. That is 1,493 rupees. It has capacity of 2 liters, 3 liters, and 5 liters. You can go for it and buy. Thanks for watching.